10th chapter Properties of Triangles. This chapter belongs to Mathematics 1A part 13. Last part completed. Exercise 10A total exercise completed by using sine and cos, tangent, projection rule, half of the angle model problems totally completed. Today class discuss circles, in circles, X circles model, formulas and definition. First, what is the in circle? In circle nothing but if any circle touches the all the three sides of the triangle internally. Understood? If any circle touches the all the three sides, this side, all the three sides, this side, this side, this side, internally touch, that circle is called in circle. That circle center is called in center. That circle radius is called in radius. Understood or not? This is the in circle. In circle having only one center and only one radius. That center we have to take I is the center of the in circle. Small r is the radius of the in circle. In this in circle, using some formulas is there. What is that formula? First formula, delta. Delta nothing but area of the triangle. Delta equal to r into s. Here s is the half of the perimeter. Already explained the previous part. Previous exercise 10A model problems. Delta is equal to r into s. This is a very important formula. Second formula, small r equal to s minus a into tan a by 2 or s minus b into tan b by 2 or s minus c into tan c by 2. Here small r equal to delta into s, that is the first formula. Second formula, a relation between sides and angles. Here suppose side a and angle a, that is s minus a into tan a by 2, s minus b into tan b by 2, s minus c into tan c by 2. Anyone you can do that. After that, r equal to a by cot b by 2 plus cot c by 2. A by cot b by 2 plus cot c by 2. Small r equal to b by cot c by 2 plus cot a by 2. This is a one more formula. This is a c. C by cot a by 2 plus cot b by 2. These three formulas are some more different formulas. Here these three formulas also be different by using the side with respect to the angle. Here also be side opposite angles. Yes, side small a, this is small b, this is small c. Here small a is there, you can draw angle b by 2 minus c by 2 this way. Here next to just to 4r into small r equal to 4r into sin a by 2 into sin b by 2 into sin c by 2. This is a very useful formula. This formula 4r into sin a by 2 into sin b by 2 sin c by 2. Here r is the circumradius. R is what here? Circumradius. ABC is the angle of the triangle. These all formulas are in circle and in radius dependent formulas. In circle, totally in circle model formulas are these. This is the definition. Next goes to X circle. What is the meaning of X circle? X circle meaning what here? Here triangle ABC. Here total 3 X circles is there. In triangle ABC extended this side. Here, if any triangle touches the one side internally, remaining side externally. One side internally, remaining side externally. Here, BC side touches internally. Here, AB side externally, AC side externally. This circle is called X circle. In this X circle, one side touches internally, remaining two sides touches externally. Here, this is the one circle. This circle center is I1. This circle radius is R1. Similarly, you can write one more. This is a one more triangle. This is the second X circle. This is I2. This is one more triangle. This is the next one is that is I3, radius is R3, radius is R2. Understood or not? In this way, here X circle having how many X circles? 3 X circle. What is the definition of X circle? If any circle touches the one side internally, remaining two sides externally, that type of circle is called X circles. In this X circle, total 3 X circles in formed in triangle ABC. That 3 X circles having 3 centers and 3 radius. Here 3 centers nothing but here I1 is the first X circle center with respect to radius R1. Similarly, I2 is the second X circle center, R2 is the radius. I3 is the third X circle center, R3 is the radius of the third X circle. This is the X circle definition. Understood or not? In circle completed. Next, X circle also be definition completed. X circle having 3 X circles, 3 X circle having 3 different radius and 3 different centers. Next, X circle dependent sum formulas is there. Very useful formulas. What is that formulas? First formula R1. R1 nothing but first X circle radius is equal to delta by S minus A. R2 is equal to delta by S minus B. R3 is equal to delta by S minus C. These three formulas are X circle radius dependent formulas. Next formula is R1 is equal to S into tan A by 2. R1 equal to S minus C into cos B by 2. Similarly, R1 equal to S minus B into cos C by 2. These three formula you can write by using problem. Which formula can be dependent? You can write that formula only. This is the R1 totally dependent. Next to R1. R1 equal to A by tan B by 2 plus tan C by 2. R2 is equal to B by tan B by 2 plus tan C by 2 plus tan A by 2. R3 equal to C by tan A by 2 plus tan B by 2. These three formulas are, this is the radius of the first X circle, this is the radius of the second X circle, this is the radius of the third X circle model problems. Next three formulas, these three formulas are very useful formulas. R1 equal to, this formula you can write 4R. R1 nothing but first X circle radius, first angle is sine, remaining 2 cos. This type you can identify easily, understood by heart. R1 equal to 4R sine A by 2 cos B by 2 into cos C by 2. R2 equal to what? Here R2 nothing but second X circle, B angle is sine. 4R cos A by 2 sine B by 2 cos C by 2. R3 equal to 4R cos A by 2 cos B by 2 cos sin C by 2. These three formula. Suppose R having all ratios are sine. R nothing but incircle radius. In this incircle radius, all ratios in sine. In this X circle, first X circle radius is first ratio sine, remaining 2 cos. R2 nothing but first ratio is second ratio is sine. B angle is sine, remaining 2 cos. R3 nothing but third angle ratio is sine, remaining 2 cos. These are the R1 equal to 4R sine A by 2 into cos B by 2 into cos C by 2. R2 equal to 4R cos A by 2 into sine B by 2 into cos C by 2. R3 equal to 4R cos A by 2 into cos B by 2 into sine C by 2. These are the very important formulas. In these formulas, R1, R2, R3 are X circle radius. Which circle radius? X circle radius. Similarly, this is the X circle definition. This is the incircle definition. These are the incircle formulas. These are the X circle formulas. You can easily understood exercise 10b, properties of triangle. First, you can read and write this incircle formulas, this X circle formulas. Read and write 5 times and read and write perfectly. You get easily understood exercise 10b model problems. See students, one more explained. In this exercise 10b, you get perfectly understood. You can read once again exercise 10a, sine rule, cosine rule, tangent rule, next projection rule, half of the angle problems, area of the triangle formulas also you can read and write perfectly. You get easily understood exercise 10a and exercise 10b also be using that formulas, this circle formula also. Next, some trigonometry formulas also be useful in this exercise 10b. Already exercise 10a using some important trigonometry formulas. Here also be some trigonometry formulas also be using. Next, trigonometry transformation 7 marks also be using very in this exercise 10b. Already exercise 10a using some problems, here also be using. That's why you can read and write trigonometry total formulas. You get easily understood in these properties of triangle. Otherwise this properties of triangle is very difficult. Understood or not? In this way you can read and write these all formulas. You get easily understood in this exercise 10b. Next class discuss exercise 10b in this in circle, X circle model problem.